I have a Samsung Smart TV here. I'm going to show you how to reset the sound audio. Okay, set the sound audio back to factory reset. This is only the sound and audio, and this typically fixes a lot of common issues. Like maybe you have a picture, but you have like no sound. Maybe the sound is in and out. Maybe it's echoing. Maybe it's delayed. Maybe there's echoing, or maybe it's sound. The audio maybe sounds like muffled, or any other kind of like audio issues. Okay. Anyway, just go to your settings. You can grab the remote. You have a settings button right down here. Or what you can do is if you click on the home button, we can go to settings down here. Just make sure you're at the bottom here and scroll all the way over to the left. Keep going to the left until you see the gear icon right there. It says settings. Go ahead and click on OK. And then from here, just go down to sound, then move over to the right and then go down to expert settings right there. Click on OK on the remotes. And then go ahead and go all the way down and you can reset your sound right here, right? So pretty simple. If this helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, it's a common issue, so it should be at least a 60% thumbs up or likes, all right? Good luck, guys.